wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pool ball sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the epco Rocco Clear is a transparent set that's markedly different from most other options. But while they may be beautiful, they don't play as well as standard balls. If you care more about style than anything else though, you'll probably be happy with them. They look very cool when rolling, however they are lighter than regulation weight, and they're all stripes with no solids. At number 9, the Felson Billiard Supplies SFELS 002 is on a par with what you might see at the bar around the corner. They aren't amazing, but they roll true and have a decent shine. If you have a table and often let your kids or drunk friends play, they're a smart buy. These make a great backup set, but the finish scratches easily, so they're best for just occasional use. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Made to very strict tolerances, the Viper Billiard Master can be a great choice for the serious player looking to improve his or her game, but who's dealing with a tight budget and can't quite afford a tournament quality option just yet. The surfaces have a slick look and the numbers are in a bold font, however they don't have a premium appearance. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool ball sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Japer Bees Pearl is an eye-catching option that's great for a home table where looks may be one of the most important factors. At 4.3 ounces each, they're slightly lighter than regulation balls, which can make them more fun for recreational players. These have hard vitrified surfaces and a consistent size and roundness. The design really pops on dark felts. Moving up our list to number 6. Available with a white or black marble swirl, the GSE Games and Sports Expert will make an attractive addition to any table, no matter the color of your felt. To ensure you get a consistent action from each one, there's a maximum of a 3-gram weight discrepancy. The dark swirl option has white numbers and they offer a good roll for the money. No two sets are exactly alike. Halfway up our list at number 5. Built to tournament quality specifications, the Q&K Sales Brunswick Centennial is a good choice for those serious about their game. The numbers are printed in a rich black using a bold font that makes it easy to distinguish between them in dimly lit rooms. These are polished to a perfect roundness and crafted from phenolic resin. They feature a warm off-white in the stripes. At number 4, the Aramith Premium features the classic numbers in the stripes, just like the ones you find at your favorite billiard hall. They have a molecular structure that's specially engineered to withstand forceful impacts and resist chipping. These come with a beautiful shiny finish and a uniform weight, and they don't mark easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Diamond Billiards Cyclop Hyperion television is built to exacting specifications to ensure you get balls that'll stand up to years of use and provide a consistent roll. The octagons around the numbers give them an interesting aesthetic too. The cue ball has spots for tracking spin, and there are special designs on the 8, 9 and 10. The glaze holds up well to plenty of use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool ball sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Iszy Billiards E41210 offers stylistic flair without a hefty price tag. Each one weighs 6 ounces and sports a classic swirled marbling effect that makes for a conversation starter when your friends come over for a game. These are regulation sized and the colors are very vibrant. They look more expensive than they are. And taking the top spot on our list, if you're looking for something as high quality as what the pros use on TV, then the Aramith Tournament should be your go-to choice. They're all perfectly balanced for a true roll, and sport bright colors with bold, deep black numbers that are easy to see. These are made from Duramith phenolic resin and cause minimal wear to your felt. They provide a crisp, clean hit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool ball sets, or simply click beneath this video.